All right, update to the wide body conversion on a 2024 Mustang. One of the things you have to keep in mind whenever you do these kits is you're gonna have to be putting the parts in and out a bunch of times to modify, to repair, to make it look the way you want. So we're doing this with the bumper. We're gonna be putting LED sequential turn signals and reverse lights on these. So we're gonna have to remove it to reinstall it. And we're still trying to decide whether we're gonna use bolted in like everybody else is doing, or whether we're gonna actually make it one piece. So we're gonna mold it into the car, and we're trying to decide which way we're gonna go. There's quite a bit of work involved with these. You know, we obviously been looking at colors. There's a color we want to use with it for this car. You know, we're the front bumper needs a lot of adjustment to make it line up with the rest of the bodywork. This front bumper, when we bought it, it came with a different line than the hood. You can see where there's like a line right here, but then the actual bumper had like a different angle, so it looked kind of weird. So we're modifying it to make it look right. You know, of course, there's quite a bit of fiberglass involved on doing that. Same thing on this side. We're putting it all together. You have to keep in mind there's a lot of work involved with these. We're waiting for the wheels here. We're supposed to be getting them. We're gonna test them. We need to order the tires for that, and it's kind of tricky because we're gonna see whether the wheels are gonna fit or not. But once we get the wheel and we mount a tire on it, we cannot return it. So, you know, this is one of those situations where we're gonna have to just risk it and see what happens. Just hope for the best. But I just wanted to do a little video to show the progress and setbacks that you had to face, and you know all the work that is involved with doing a wide body conversion.